Golfers shoot for par. Ball players strive to bat 300. Students go up against the SAT. Actors dream of winning the Oscar. In every walk of life, performance is measured against standards. Businesses, too, have standards. There are national and international standards for formats and specifications, as well as for quality and integrity. Internally, many businesses use cost standards for producing products and delivering services.
From a management accounting standpoint, standard costs are used to try to get a better idea of what causes variances between flexible budgets and actual results. What is it that causes a difference between what actually happened and what we would expect to have happened? So what we need standards for both the amount and the purchase cost of each input that we use.
VF Corporation employs cost standards to assist in planning and evaluating the manufacture of its products. Like most products, there are standard costs for direct materials, for direct labor, and for overhead. But setting standard costs is not a job for the accounting department alone.
We have many components of standard costs, and we have many different departments within our company that are involved with standard cost. From the components, we have the raw materials. We start with yarn, and then we have dyes and chemicals. Once you have the cost per pound of fabric, then you look at the consumption of fabric. We want to optimize the fabric consumption or utilization. So we look at how the different patterns are nested together within a marker to achieve maximum consumption. There is a labor standard that comes from Industrial Engineering Department. And what we look at there, first of all, is what is the technology employed. We have introduced a lot of automation, which has really helped lower the labor cost. We have to pinpoint what is the method and the machinery used for each operation, and then what is the amount of labor or man-hours required to complete each operation. And that becomes a labor standard. Once we have developed the standard time it takes to complete each operation, we also have wage rates, or what we call operator base rates. They vary by operation based on the skill level and the geographic area. For example, average wage rates could range from $7 an hour to, say, $9 an hour in sewing or assembly.
Once standard costs are established for direct materials and direct labor, then standard rates for overhead must also be established.